New requirement from AJ Hobbies. Haven't even opened it yet. I got that too. We're going to be doing that one after this. But look at this. First time opening. I seen it. When you seen it? Wow. What a beautiful plane. Look at this. UMX pits. Oh, that safety trap on there. Wow. These things have to be the easiest unboxings. That's the only reason I do them. Because I'm not an unboxing type of guy. But we're going to be unboxing these. Look at that. Is that awesome or is that awesome? And I got a battery for it. I'm going to try the Eflite. I have the Gen Ace for the Voodoo. And I got the Eflite for the pits. It's a wee bit windy. But we're going to fly it next. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't blow away. And we're going to bind this thing up to the radio and get it in there.